That's actually going to open up. You see, that is closing now.
Yeah.
We're going to have a lot of compression in that cut, mate. Shall we,
Yeah.
watch as it if you do that with a knife, what are you going to do with the cutting end? It's going to roll, isn't it?
He's got the rhythm.
May as well take that. Very smooth.
Have the axe to then have a controlled, and at the end do we just
Now, the whole process, all the processes build on each other. So if you get this clustered up beautifully, then the next part of the process will build on that.
Don't be afraid to hit.